Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm playing Roblox with someone special, someone I play Roblox games with all the time. But I've only done one Roblox video ever on my channel, and it wasn't very big.
Okay, it's me, Peter Parker. Okay, today we're gonna be going to school. Yay!
My face
school is actually boring,
isn't.
but we're gonna be doing like a Spider-Man role play. So yeah, let's start it.
Yeah, we need to start it.
What are you? Okay, I think the school is in this direction.
Come on, let's go. It's not very fun, but whatever.
We're gonna be late to school, Donald.
Yeah, I know. We have to hurry. Follow me. I know where school is.
Okay, I'm at school.
Me too. We're almost at school. I'm gonna ride my bike the rest of the way. Okay, come on. Where is my? I need to be a student. Oh, I don't even have a student job, so I need to change my job to student. Now I'm a student. Now I can have my locker. Woo! I always need books. Books are the most and okay. Now let's go. I have my book.
A bunch of spiders and
Come on. What's our first class? Oh, we need to. Okay. We need. Okay.
Okay, we gotta evacuate the school.
Why?
The guy from the announcement thing, he said that there's gonna be spiders and other things like that, like floods, earthquakes. So we gotta evacuate. Quick.
Oh no. Oh no! Look at what the math sign says. It says get out. So that must mean we have to get out.
Yep. Alright, I got my skateboard.
And I have my skateboard.
Let's get back to my house.
How are you going so fast?
I used this button.
What is the speed button?
It's the... Okay, where are you?
Well, where are you? I'm at
apartment 6, where I live.
We live together.
Okay, I'll put you as roommate. Okay.
Lock the door.
That spider bit something. I don't feel good. I'm gonna go rest. Ugh. No. Whoa. Why am I seeing so worried? I'm wearing my glasses. Wait, what? Now I can see perfect. With glasses or without? Donald, do you know what's going
on? I don't know.
Because I just took off my glasses and now I can see better all of a sudden. So, isn't that weird?
Yeah.
I am so confused right now. Oh, outside view. fall over. That's good.
Ah, ah. Whew.
Okay, safe. I have no idea what is going on. Why do I feel like I could jump from building to building? Oh, Donald, come check this out.
What is happening?
On the porch, look at me. How am I up here?
Ah, ow, ow, I fell, ow, ow, I fell, ow, ow. That really hurt, ow, I fell.
I am
Ow.
so confused.
That hurts so much. Why did I decide to jump down? Why? Ow,
I
ow.
didn't get hurt jumping down.
Ow, that hurt so much.
Here, I'll carry you since your weight's hurt, probably. Okay, and boom. Okay. I'm gonna do wake CPR. If that's even a thing. Here, stand up for a second so I can see. Here. Here. Clapping is gonna make your legs better, maybe. Whoa! Why do I feel like I could webs or something? Why did you? How did that happen to your face? Okay. Anyways, I ate all the cookies, by the way.
Why?
I don't know. I just like them.
I guess they do taste good.
I feel like something is about to happen. Wait, Donald, you're about to fall over!
What?
You're about to fall over!
Oh no. No, no. Oh no.
Don't fall over. Don't fall over.
No.
Okay, I catch you. Okay, should we go on a walk?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Where should we go to a walk to? Oh, I know. We should go to the diner since I'm a bit hungry.
Oh yeah, I'm a bit hungry too.
Who is this guy? Whatever.
I mean, I don't like my name.
Oh, shoot! Okay, that was weird. Doesn't look like anyone's working here, so I guess we'll have to make our own. Okay, I got a food.
And I even spelled friend wrong.
You spelled friend wrong?
Yes. That's so weird.
Why did you name yourself friend? Oh, don't make the water boil. Okay, let's go home. I'm already full. I'm gonna go home. I'm already full.
Okay.
Basketball. Ooh, dance party. Donald, look up here.
I'm trying to come. I just don't. It's just.
I think I feel like jumping off.
No.
Should I jump off?
No.
Ow. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Okay. See you at home.
Yeah.
I'll leave the door unlocked so you can get in whenever you want. Oh! Did you just teleport?
I have powers. I can teleport home.
Why do I feel like if I make whenever people let's say I just shot a web out of my hand. How did I do that? I feel like I'm a stupid kid. Whoa! I just jumped really high up here. Oh my god, my legs are in the microwave!
Okay.
Donald, I think I'm a superhero. Well, I think I'm gonna be. So I'm gonna start making an outfit. And since I got bit by that spider, I'm gonna be Spider Kid, I guess.
The human spider.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I'm sewing the outfit and done. I'm gonna try it on. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Donald, where did you go? Oh, Donald, does this look pretty nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I could be a superhero with this. This obviously probably isn't my final, my final costume, my final design, because I know that this isn't the best costume ever. But someday I'm gonna be like, wait, I see Iron Man. Oh, he just flew away. Okay. I'm gonna get out of this outfit. Then where's the bacon sauce? Okay. I kept the suit on underneath my clothes.
Why?
I don't know. Alright. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna go to the room. You wanna stay home?
Oh, Everett, breaking news. Look.
Wait, what? There's a house fire. I'll go save it. You stay here.
Okay.
Okay, I got all the people out of the house fire. Now the fire people can just put it out. Alright. I'm gonna shoot one of my webs to this house. To my house. Okay. I don't know how I can shoot webs, but I just can. Alright, I walked the house. Nobody really asked me what my superhero name was. Anyways, I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, here, I'm gonna turn off the lights. Since, we don't want it to be bright when we're sleeping. Because then we would die. No, we wouldn't die, but it would be hard to sleep. And we don't want that. Because you need sleep to live. So maybe we would die. Probably not, though.
I need this.
Phew. whatever. Why am I keep hearing electric sounds? Okay, well. It's probably like a guy. I gotta get in my suit. There's a house fire. I'll grab my fire extinguisher. Donald, I'm gonna go save a house fire. Donald! Why did you come here? Did you just wake up? Because I'm saving a house fire. Okay, you're probably a bit tired. Okay, Donald, let's leave before we get killed. Donald!
I'm trying to find the. Okay, whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot a web to home. Okay. Got home. Okay. Let's see. Points. One. Okay, Donald.
What?
Don't you think today it was a weird day?
Yeah, kind of.
My suit sort of got burned in the house fire, so I'm gonna try making a new one. I'll sew a new suit instead of just putting them together. I'm gonna keep using these web shooters though. Okay. Donald, don't you think this looks way better?
Yeah, definitely.
And also, I don't think the human spiders are good enough names. I think my name will be Spider instead. So So I will stop crime. Good thing I have a pair of handcuffs somewhere. So if there's any criminals, I can just handcuff them. Where are my handcuffs? Oh wait, I gotta check in my backpack. Okay, I found my handcuffs. So if I need to arrest somebody, I can handcuff them. And if somebody escapes too, what are you doing with our lives? Okay, here. I feel like I can climb a wall or something. Oh my god! I climbed something. There might be... What is this? Why is there a plant up here? It's a bit suspicious. Okay. That's a suspicious plant. I'm gonna go see if there's any people that are committing crimes or planning to. I need to know if somebody has a criminal base or something. Oh, okay. It's summer break, I think.
Already?
Oh, yeah. I built in a phone to this mask. So if you ever have to call me, I can just tap the side of my head and I can talk to you. So anything, I can just talk to you by tapping the side of my head. Okay, see you.
Yeah.
In a while if there's any criminals. Okay, activate door lock. Oh my god, my suit is more high tech than before. It has 100% more tech, I guess. Since that other one had 0. Alright, I'm gonna go sneak around to the criminal base. Yes, there is a criminal base. Alright, I'm in. Alright, Donald, I'm in the criminal base.
Okay.
And let's see if there's... I'm gonna go check out one. Okay, here. Alright, criminal base. Boom. Oh, shoot. Somebody's coming in. Donald, it's a criminal. He looks like he's made of electricity or something.
Oh no. Who do you think that could be?
He looks like he doesn't know. He looks like a criminal, and he also looks like he's wearing. So he has like electricity sparks coming out of him and stuff. That's weird. So. Wait, I can hear him. He said it's time to rob the bank. Alright, well, I got my handcuffs out, so... Handcuff! Okay, I handcuffed him. And... I'll put him in jail. Hopefully he doesn't escape. Because the doors are electric. And we could probably just disable them with his electricity powers. So hopefully he doesn't think about that. And also, he can't hear me. Yeah. Alright. I put him in the cage. In the jail cell. Alright. I think I'm starting to get a coffee word. Donovan, I think I'm starting to get more popular.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm
Wait a
just,
minute.
I'm just.
I think there's something in the mail. If there is something in the mail, it is a newspaper. The Daily Bugle. So it says Spider-Man is a menace. No, I'm a hero. I am not a menace. And Rock News is Rock News is one of their competitors. So Rock News aims to own Eddie Brock, one of my friends, seems to own Brock News. I thought it was his dad though. So, but also the Daily Bugle thinks I'm a menace, which you already said, and then Spider-Man Wanted. Donald, I'm on the wanted list.
Really?
And it said, and the newspaper also says I should be a fugitive. I think J. Jonah Jameson, the owner of the Daily Bugle, wants to have me delivered to his office, and I think he wants to reveal my face. That'd be bad, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Alright. So what should I do? Should I just stay indoors?
Maybe.
But there's also crimes that are going on. Wait a minute. I hear a helicopter. And I also heard a bomb, but I didn't hear the bank alarm go off. There's a military helicopter outside. Look. There's a military helicopter, Donald.
Oh no. We need to close the door. Close the door.
I don't think it's for us. I don't think it's for us.
Wait, really?
Maybe that electricity guy got out of prison and now they're chasing him.
Hopefully.
Okay, do you wanna be like Spider-Man, or do you prefer being? You wanna be an arachnid human or just a normal human? Because I think I have some leftover web shooters and the other costume, and then I could make another costume. Alright, I think I'm gonna take that as a no.
No, it's a yes.
Okay. I can hear the helicopters. It's not facing us. So that must mean it's not for us. Alright, it's getting hot in this mask. I'm gonna take it off. Alright, here, I'll give you some leftover web shooters, and glasses. Okay, I gave you all those resources to be Spider-Man.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, and red costume. Okay. I'll let you get changed while I will be doing something, I guess. I don't think the helicopter is here anymore.
Good.
The helicopter that wasn't for us. So yeah. I'm gonna turn on the fireplace. It's getting sort of hot. Cold. Alright, that's much warmer.
And
Alright, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, also, when you go to bed, make sure to turn off all the lights.
okay.
Ugh. 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 Uncle Ben! I just remembered he got shot years ago. Alright. It wasn't. It was Henry shot. Why am I out here? And what is this new black suit? Alright, Donald, I think I got a new black suit or something.
And
I think I got that, like, controlled by something. I don't know. I feel like there's somebody trying to rob the bank. Alright, nobody's trying to rob the bank. Alright, Donald, I think I got it. Alright, so I'm heading back home because somehow I left home while I was sleeping or something. So. Okay, Donald, also, do you want to see the new, suit?
yeah.
Because I can show you it. Alright. Whoa, I just shot a black web. Alright, so this is the new suit. And it feels good. So, yeah. The new suit feels really good. I feel insane and I feel like punching you down. I'm gonna punch you 10 times. Did that feel like anything, or did my punch feel more like a punch now, or like what does it feel like now?
I don't know.
I'm gonna. Okay, Donald. Do you mind if I punch you down?
Yes. I don't.
Okay. But it's probably more of a punch out. Here. Tell me what my back flip kick. Tell me what the back flip kick feels like now.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try and smack you down to the ground. So, I guess when I do the backflip, you will fall down and probably get hurt. Care get hurt?
No.
Alright. And punch you down to the ground. And kick. Okay, here. So if that isn't working, I will decide. Okay, this suit is nice, but it feels like something's wrong with it. Mine. Donald, I don't feel good. I think I need to clean the suit. The suit is probably need to fire. Fire! Oh my god. Oh! Okay. Okay, Donald, that thing left me now. Wait, Donald, it looks like that black juice is crawling up you or something. It looks like something's crawling up you. Oh, it's that same thing that was on me. Wait, Donald, your mouth. Your teeth are starting to become smooth. And your eyes, they're wide and like the shape of my mask or something. I don't know. Your eyes are the shape of my mask. Something's going on. Okay, Donald. It left you. Alright, so. Oh, shoot. Summer ended a long time ago. We haven't been going to school. School's gonna start in a few hours. Gotta go. Okay. Walk. I don't feel like using a skateboard today. Actually, so the damage that I have. Alright, Don, hold on at school.
Me too.
Okay, Donald, are you at school?
Yeah, I'm at school.
Okay.
I just jumped down.
Oh, there you are.
And okay, it's time for math class.
First period is math. I guess she's gonna be the teacher. So yeah. What? 12 plus 68. That one is too hard, probably. I don't know. Wait, no. I'm so confused with this math. The teacher is asking you to sit down, Donald. Donald, get in your seat. Okay. Summer ended a long time. Okay, let's see.
Hey, babe, how you doing? Like forever. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
Ghost. Why did you ghost it? Alright. Donald's school is not over yet, I don't think. If she asks you to date her, say no.
How are you doing?
Alright. She's trying to date.
Run. Just run. Just get out of school and run. All you need to do now is get out of school and run.
Okay, Donald, we should switch schools because, you know, this teacher's weird.
Yeah, so weird. Run,
He's
run.
following us! Let's get home! Quick!
Don't worry. I have a bike. No, I
I have
have
a skateboard.
Me too. Get home.
I left the door unlocked for you.
Hi.
I don't think she's here.
Okay, good.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
I did. No one can get in here now.
Oh, please, she does. Look, she's right there. Oh, please, she doesn't use like the ladder to get like next to the grocery sign.
And even if she does, we can just close the door.
Yeah, but she would still be on our porch. So, if she did get on our porch, we could go outside of the porch and ban her from the house,
Yeah.
which would put her all the way over back to spawn. So yeah. Actually, I don't even want to be a student anymore. I know where we should go to.
Where?
We should go to church. No, we shouldn't. I don't even think anyone goes there in Brookhaven. No one in Brookhaven even goes there. Maybe because it's a small town or something.
Okay. Why did you put a ladder here?
So I could get up to there. To that black part for some reason. I don't know.
And did you just jump down?
Not on purpose. I was trying to get onto the ladder. Don't slam the door on my face.
I didn't mean to.
Donald! Guess who's up here?
I can get up there too with a ladder.
Right. Are we still recording?
Yes.
Oh my god, how long have we been recording for?
I don't know. This is insane.
There should be. Whenever you're on, I expect it to be at the bank. Wait a minute. I see someone. Donald, I don't think that's gonna work, dude.
Yes, it will. With the power of me.
Okay, keep trying something that will never work. Probably.
I'm just.
Whoa! You just jumped off. Didn't you even get hurt?
I think I might have broken my leg.
I think I'm the tallest person in Brookhaven.
What?
Now.
What the? What? What?
Ah! Everybody in Brookhaven, watch this.
Do, 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 do,
I'm going back.
do,
I'm back inside.
do.
Have fun trying to get in.
Oh yeah.
closing the porch doors and locking the house. Oh wait, I forgot your roommate, so you can just get rid of that ladder now. Get rid of that ladder.
Sheesh.
Get rid of the ladder now, or I will find something. I guess. Whoa, Donald! How am I doing this?
Everett, what did you do? How did you do that?
I don't know. Whoa, I just walked through the fireplace!
This
I feel
is
like I can break the door.
this is
Can I
a
just break the door?
this is a hiding.
Okay. Thank God, it's a flimsy door now.
Oh, Everett, this part here is just walk throughable. No one can ever find us here.
Wait, turret?
What?
Where are you? What turret?
What? What do you
What
mean?
turret?
I didn't say that.
What was it? What did you say?
Well, we can easily hide in here and no one can find us.
Wait. Donald. I see Iron Man.
Where? Open.
Out there.
I don't.
See Iron Man.
I can't even see through these curtains.
No, I can see through the. I can see here. Wait a minute. I think he knows that I'm Spider-Man. Here is your new suit. Wait, he gave me a suit? Really? Donald, Iron Man gave me a suit.
Again. Well, it's another suit. So
Do you form around me? Jarvis activate suit. Oh, whoa! This looks cool. But, where's the mask? Where's the mask? Oh, there it is. Can I activate anything? Let's see. Oh, activate iron arms. Whoa!
how did you do that?
I'm just making my mask and arms come. Anyways, I'm gonna go see if there's any crime. I think I just unfurled the. Do you want to be a spider person too? Or no? I'm gonna take that as a no. Well, good thing we're not cars because I just went through a red light without a car. So it's legal.
Right.
I wonder if I could use these arms to climb walls.
I thought you could already climb walls.
Yeah, but what if I could use these arms to climb walls?
There's not much of a
Instead of my
use.
hand?
Not much of a use because you can already climb walls, but whatever, I guess.
But if I had these arms while climbing walls, since, like, you know, they're spiky, so I bet they could, you know,
Okay.
I'm not going to
Okay.
I am going to rip this newspaper up. I just ripped it up.
Okay, I'll pay for this. Don't worry, I'll pay for this.
You got me a Hershey?
Yeah, I got you a Hershey.
Now,
Okay.
give it to me now. Nom nom nom. Tasty.
Okay, I need to put everything in a bag. I'm also gonna eat this pizza. Yeah. Okay, now let's put everything in a bag.
No, I already ate my cheese.
And I'm putting everything that I have in a bag.
Okay. Let's go back to my normal food. Alright. So, actually, go to me with that one. Okay. Donald, I'm at the gym right now.
Okay.
Here, I'm going outside of the gym. The gym is where the movies are.
And I'm just eating everything that I bought.
Donald,
Okay, I'm coming.
come here.
Where's the gym?
Follow me. I'm right here.
I see you.
This is easy. Donald, you think I could lift the 300-pound one?
I am.
Okay, let me do that then. I want to try. Oh, this is really easy. Look, I'm lifting 250-pound weights at the same time.
What?
How's that treadmill? Why are these treadmills not on?
You have to turn them on. When you do, they don't work.
Oh, now it sort of works.
Oh yeah.
It's real just you really running into an invisible wall.
Yeah.
Sort of like a treadmill, though.
But if you just stay still, you stay still.
Okay, there's something like that.
Oh, that's back. That was so weird. I'm doing this. That was weird.
Donald, I think that black goo thing is still on you.
Get it off. Get it off.
It's corrupting you.
Get it off.
Wait, it's still on you. It won't shake off. Donald, your mouth is starting to look like a demon's mouth with, like, very black with sharp teeth or something. And now your eyes are starting to look like my eyes on my mask. Oh, great. Also, your clothes are turning dark. And so is your skin! Oh, uh-oh. Your skin is just absolutely destroying your clothes. Something is going on. Wait, your hair. It's starting to go away. Something. I don't know. But your clothes are black now, I guess. Your clothes are just ripped up now. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
What am I supposed to do? Are you okay, Donald? Donald,
Where? Oh, here it is.
your teeth are sharp. And your eyes look like the shape of my mask. Like the shape of my mask side. Or is something wrong? Or uh-oh. I think he's a villain now. And wait, my spider senses are telling me that he's gonna rob the bank. Maybe do not rob the bank. Yeah! Your mouth is starting to be, your teeth are starting to be a bit more sharper still. I think he might start saying things, so I think he saw something, maybe. I think your Donald, your teeth are even sharper now. His mouth is opening. His mouth is opening, I think. Stop, Donald. I think he's probably saying stuff. Donald, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, Donald. 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 Okay, yeah, Donald.
What?
Here. Equip this mask that I'm wearing so you look more like Venom.
Where is it?
It's at the bottom.
The very bottom?
Yeah, the very bottom.
I don't see it.
Okay. It's the one that is black with sharp teeth. Okay.
I don't see it anywhere.
It's in the click on the hats and then like go to the hair, black backpack, hat, and glasses, and then when you're in there, click on glasses and scroll all the way down.
Oh, it's in glasses.
It's sideways, sort of. And I'll be right back. If you were to burn down a house, would you make sure to say it's just a prank, bro? Or oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. You just
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm gonna kick you off the vehicle! I knocked and now I'm gonna knock you out! I'm gonna hopefully hitting him with the oh wait! I forgot! Fire down! The fire down! I'm gonna push you off this building. Get up here! Come get me! Venom, come get me! Venom, come get me! I'm right here! Hey, start running at me, dude! Try it. That was like a bit off. Hey! Go a few inches closer to me. Go a few inches closer to the I just made you blow up yourself! Gotcha. Alright. Hey, Venom, follow me. Follow me, Venom. Venom, follow me. What? Wait. That worked. Alright. Now I just need some fire to get rid of the... Alright. Donald, you're not Venom anymore.
Yay.
You were Venom.
No.
You were Venom.
No.
I'm pretty sure you were Venom.
No. That's bad.
Okay, follow me.
And that's what I'll do for now because I need to run and follow you. Okay. Oh yeah. Over there. Seriously.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. And bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, do you think that was a good video?
Bye.